Next we shall come into the Bhavad Bhavam. Suppose second house is the house of finance. Second from the second, that is the third house, will actually tell the condition of the second house. This is the Parashara's one of the greatest theory, you may say, Bhavad Bhavam theory. A house as far away from a house as the latter is away from the lagan, and it acts like a latter house. Am I clear? Suppose the fifth from the fifth will tell about the condition of the fifth. The sixth from the sixth will tell about the condition of the sixth. If sixth house is bad, then sixth from the sixth is also bad. If fifth house is good, then fifth from the fifth will definitely indicate. Right? And also many astrologers also considers Karka planet for this assessment. Suppose the efforts is seen from the third house and from planet Mars. So third house from the Mars will say about the effort of the person, about the valor of the person, about the younger siblings of the person, about the all the significations of third house will be, you can predict from the third from the Mars, right? Same, fourth from the Lagna and the moon will say the condition of the mother. Fifth from the Lagna, moon and the Jupiter. That means we are taking Lagna, we are taking the Karka planet also. Third from the Lagna is the condition of the effort of the person. Third from the Mars is also the same. Fourth from the Lagna is the mother of the native or mental peace of the native. Fourth from the moon also is the mental peace and mother's condition of the native. Seventh from the Lagna is the house of spouse. So seventh from the seventh house is also the condition of the spouse, and also Venus is the Karka of spouse. So seventh from the Venus, though it is in same condition, same house, in indicating, suppose here seventh from the Venus, we shall also take into consideration the condition of the fifth house in order to give the judgment about the marital condition, because fifth house is the seventh house from Venus. Venus is the Karka planet of marriage. Ninth from the Lagna and the sun. 10th from the Lagna and the sun. 9th from the Lagna and the moon. These are the theories of Bhavad Bhavam. This is a great thing. In the advanced course it will be discussed elaborately, but I have given some hints to you. Next comes the yogas. Yogas are actually give very good predicting technique. There are thousands of yogas, and mainly yogas manifest when the Lagna or the Lagna Lord are strong, and the yoga takes place in an auspicious house. Suppose a person having a good yoga, I am discussing about the yogas, but the Lagan and the Lagan Lord is not the strong, or the yoga is happening in the 8th or 12th or 6th houses, then the yoga will not give so much result. Then if the yoga will happen in 4th house or 10th house or 7th house or 5th or 9th house, then the yoga or the Lagna itself, then the yoga will deliver better results. So positions of the yoga is also an important factor in Parashari Jyotish. Few important yogas, you may take note of them. Panch Mahapurush yogas. Panch Mahapurush yogas are mainly few types are there. Hansa yoga, Malavya Yoga, Shasha Yoga, Bhadra Yoga, and Ruchak Yoga. It happens if Hansa Yoga for Jupiter, Malavya Yoga for Venus, Shasha Yoga for Saturn, Bhadra Yoga for Mercury, and Ruchak Yoga for Mars. If they are in Kendra, or they are in own house, or they are in exaltation, then auspicious fructification of the planet's Karakatva is indicated, and that is called the Panch Mahapurush Yoga. Then you may find many Raj Yogas are there in the horoscope. It is a relation between the Kendra, belongs to the Vishnu, the preserver. These Kendra houses 1, 4, 7, 10. These are called Kendra houses. These Kendra houses are called the houses of Vishnu, that is the preserver. And lords of the Trikona, that is the 5th, 9th, these and the Lagan. These lords, Lagan is also in the Vishnu, so Lagan may consider in the preserver there is a Vishnu, but the Lagan, the Trikona, that is the 5th and the 9th lord mainly. These 5th and the 9th lord, if have any conjunction or any yoga formed with this Kendradhipatis, then Raj Yoga is formed. Yogas are formed mainly in conjunction. Suppose Sun and Mercury is conjunct here. Yogas are also formed in mutual exchange. Sun is Mercury's house and Mercury is Sun's house. Suppose, or Jupiter is in Moon's house and Moon is in Jupiter's house. Just I am giving example. Number 2, numbers 1 in another house and aspected by the planet. In that horoscope, it's also a yoga. You know, Mars aspecting Saturn and Saturn aspecting Mars. So they are conjunct. If they are forming yoga, then it is yoga. If not, if yoga is to be happen, then the Lagna Lord or the Trikon Lord or the Kendra Lord should be in conjunct with the Trikon Lord. Suppose in this horoscope, Lagan Lord Jupiter, Trikon, the Kendra Lords are also Jupiter and Mercury. So if Jupiter and Mercury is with the 5th and the 9th Lord, here you see 9th Lord is Sun. So 9th and 10th or 9th and 7th Lord is conjunct. This is a Raj Yoga. Right? So in this way, if the lords of the Kendra and the lords of the Trikona is called the Lakshmi Sthan. The Vishnu and Lakshmi Sthans are conjunct. If conjunction will happen in these conditions, they are placed together, they are aspecting on each another, and they are in houses of each another. That is Parivartana. This is called Raj Yoga, and this Raj Yoga gives very good result to the native, very auspicious result to the native, if the Dasha and the Bhukti, mainly Mahadasha of that Raj Yoga planet is in the right time. The native gets the Raj Yoga planet's Dasha in the right time of his life. Suppose a person having Raj Yoga and he got the Yoga planet's Dasha at the age of 70 years, or Raj Yoga was at the age of 2 years. What will be the benefit? The Raj Yoga should also be timing of the yoga from the Vimshottari Dasha system. In this case, suppose in this case this person having dasha of moon up to 2011, dasha of Mars up to 2011, 2001 moon, 2011 Mars, Rahu 2018, Jupiter 2036, 18 to 36 Jupiter's Mahadasha is operating. Then Saturn 52. Then after 52, Mercury, the Raj Yogkari planet's Dasha will operate. At the year of 52, the person born in 2002, the person will be 50 years of age. So he will get a very good name and fame. This is called Dharmadhipati Karmadhipati Raj Yoga, as the house of the karma and the house lord of the karma and the house lord of the dharma, they are together in conjunction. So this is called Dharmadhipati Karmadhipati Raj Yoga. But the person is getting that Raj Yoga at the age of 50 years. Would it not be beneficial more that if the person got this yoga at the age of 20 years? Because Mercury's yoga will long up to 2052 to 2071. But this is the, we can say, this is the karma, the result we are getting. This person having a very good Raj Yoga, but it will be activated at the age of 50.